Yes. Hey to your twins. Hey, hey, hey. Come on in. Come on in. Thank you, Mr. Z, for the roses. Thank you for joining. Vasqueezy, thank you so much for the roses. Once again, guys, I don't have those people are using my pictures, my videos for a selling content. I do not sell content, okay? I mean, I do not have Telegram or anything. Please don't get scammed, okay? This is just my only account, and we can't stop those people. Just be mindful. Okay, if they will try to message you using my face, my everything, then that's not me. I don't message. Not unless it's very important. Thank you, Mr. Devil. Thank you. What's your future? Mike, thank you for the roses. Mike. Hey, that's so sweet. Raja, unfortunate. Thank you for the rose, Mike. I don't have. Hola. Gracias. Don't forget to check my latest post. Leave your comments and reaction. You have so much videos you can explore on my account. To all my new babies, thank you, Nate. You found, that's so sweet. Thank you, Nate. Where is that? Thank you, Nate. I appreciate that. Mike, thank you for the finger. Thank you, Nate. Come on in. Nate. Come on in. Just kidding. Thank you for all the love and support, guys. You guys are all amazing. Once again, we are trying to protect this account. Adnan, thank you, Adnan. Nate, kindly. Thank you, Adnan. Appreciate that. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah. Oh, Nate, thank you so much. Thank you so much, baby. Oh, you deserve this. Okay, perfect. And then Adnan, welcome in. Thank you for joining. Thank you for all the love and support. Mr. Batten, thank you for the follow. Friendly, welcome in. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Yes, once again, guys, I appreciate you guys stopping by here. But of course, we've got this, we've got, we've got job. I have work by 10:30. I haven't got it up yet. But of course, I have a personal life too. I have to get my matcha to start my day. Relax a little bit. But I promise to do live stream one more time later after work. And yes, thank you to all my new babies, to all the new supporters. Thank you so much from the bottom of my inner treasure. Thank you so Matcha is bad, Kareem. It's good for my body. I'm trying to lose weight so I can be more confident on posting my videos, my pictures. And it's healthy that, right? Don't be harsh. You have the clothes. You just leave that them alone. Oh, you can't do that. Oh my gosh, Nate! What are you doing? You don't have to. Thank you so much. Thank you for the flying jet, Nate. Thank you, baby. Mike, thank you for the wink. Thank you, Nate. You are amazing. Come on in. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I've never seen that though. Good morning, Elroy. Welcome in. I'm from San Antonio, Texas. I'm going to come in. Yeah, I'll let you come in. Come on in. Thank you. I'll message you, Nate. Because you did an extra mile today. You deserve an extra mile message.